Hello, this is Newport Bay Admiral's Room 2014. I presume this is the undecorated version. Just walked in. Here's your bathroom bit. And as you can see, you do get an iron. The bar, the mini bar, is locked these days down there. So if you need cold milk or cold cans or whatever, you'll have to go to the concierge at the desk. You do get an air dryer, plenty of towels, soap, and they're beakers. You can use them for coffee, but you might not want to. You've got an airtight coats. You've also got a safe, decent sized safe, dead easy to lock. Just tap a number in. Lock, and it locks. Tap the same number in again. Oops. Open. As easy as that. Here's the toilet area. There's your obligatory toilet. Here's your bath cum shower. Plenty of clean towels, as you can see. It's fairly clean. It's not 100%, but it's near enough. It's good enough. It's certainly not dirty in any way, shape or form. Little ironing board and iron again. Adjoining room. Not that you want to go through there. Two decent, clean double beds with lights above. Telephone and bedside cabinet. Little dining table. Two chairs. Lamp in the corner. If you are to bring your own things to plug into the sockets, don't use that lamp socket, because it seems to go off at 10 o'clock at night. It must have a timer on it. Bit annoying. There's the TV stand. TV stand and 4 glasses underneath, a little biscuit jar and a fully working kettle. So if you're on the Admiral's floor, you don't need a kettle. Well, you shouldn't need. There's the view. We're on the side of the hotel near the convention room. Excellent view out, very quiet. Very near the lifts. Brilliant for us. Not so good if you're in the middle of the hotel. And last of all, really, the socket down there as you walk in, that's the best place to put in your chargers and that. Get a multi-socket, put that on, and that'll be good. Alright, thank you.